Hello and welcome to Tech Baffle. James out here, and what is that? It's so blurry and there. Looks like Microsoft has added a new feature that no one asked for. Well, maybe one person. So there's a new feature called News and Interests, and basically what happens, you click on it, or you just hover over it, and it comes up with loads of stuff, including the fact that we've got a Thunder Alert. Eek. Yeah, there's a few random things, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, you can manage your interests, so you can decide what you like, whether you like the UK or whether you like the world. Might like technology. I mean, it is a Tech Baffle video. So yeah, you can customize it if you want. This bit here just shows you the weather. We have a icon which is like a cloud and it looks fresh out of Windows XP. Okay, so here's how to either customize or disable it. So first of all, you just right click on the taskbar and then you select News and Interests. So here it has show icon on text, show icon only, or turn off. So if you want to turn it off completely, voila. Or if you just prefer showing the icon without that blurry text, there you go. You've got the icon. So that's a little bit less offensive. I don't know why the text is blurry. It's very odd. Like, surely they've tested it and surely someone would have brought that up that, if you look at the clock and then look at that, doesn't look right, does it? Doesn't look good. So what I think Microsoft have done is applied some sort of strange scaling to it. So if you go to display settings and then go to any of these, 125%, your computer may already be on one of the scaled options, especially if it's a laptop with a high resolution screen. That looks slightly better. I mean, the text still looks a bit blurry on the thermometer, but yellow alert looks a bit crisper. If you go to 150%, that looks pretty much fine. And then you got 175%, and that looks terrible as well. Also, unrelated, but the kerning is really annoying as well. Like, look at that yellow. Looks like yell, oh, alert. Also unrelated, but I'm trying out a new webcam. So the video for this webcam will be dropped very shortly. So let me know what you think of it. If I have dropped the video, I'll put the annotation somewhere at the top of your screen. So what I'm going to do is just show you a quick tip on how to make the taskbar just to look a little bit cleaner. So you go to right click on the taskbar and then you've got all these options. So if you don't want to show a katana, you can untick that. If you want to untick task view, do that. If you want to untick show people on the taskbar, you can do that. So there you go, that's a lot of clutter already gone. So if you want the search bar to take up that space, you can go to search and then go to show search icon, or you can hide it completely. Look at this, we've got so much more space to play with now. It's not loads of stuff and loads of icons all over the place. So what I'm going to do with the news and interest, I'm just going to go to show icon only. I don't mind that, it shows me what the weather is. I just don't like the text. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you want any more of this sort of thing, don't forget to subscribe and ding so you don't miss a thing. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat and TikTok. Follow me at Tech Baffle. For the latest, head over to techbaffle.com. Thanks for watching and have a baffling day.